How to set keyboard theme color to light, solid light, dark or solid dark on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on Theme. From here, you can choose a light theme, a solid theme, dark theme, or a solid dark. So select one of the available themes that you would like to use. And finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.